Cricut Design Space Download Tutorial for Beginners. On Windows. Step 1. Open the web browser and visit the official Cricut Design Space site. Step 2. Check the box to agree to Cricut Terms of Use and Privacy Policy and click Download. Step 3. Open the downloaded file from the browser or the Downloads folder. Step 4. A setup window will pop open and display the installation progress. Step 5. When Design Space loads, click Product Setup. Step 6. Go ahead and create a Cricut ID, then proceed with the product setup process. On Mac. Step 1. Navigate to the official Cricut Design Space website and select Cutting Machine. Step 2. Check the box to agree to the Cricut Terms of Use and Privacy Policy and click Download Now. Step 3. Open the downloaded file and a new window will pop open. Step 4. Drag and drop the Cricut icon to the application folder and double-click the Applications folder to open it. Step 5. Double-click Cricut Design Space to open it and click Open in the pop-up window to proceed. Step 6. Once Design Space opens, go ahead and create a Cricut ID. Step 7. Go ahead and proceed with the product setup process. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.